let's move into the backpacks. Okay, so this is okay. What? All right, so I was kind of bouncing back and forth with this guy, and I was like, should I do the 15 or should I do the 21? And he said, well, just pick one. Homeboy sent two. Okay, so this is the 15 liter multicam black pack. All right, so couple of things that stand out with this pack compared to the GoRuck is, number one, this hook and loop panel. So we all know we love our REs. Perfect place for those guys. If you have any morale patches, this right here, you can actually patch, put a patch up there, but you have all this real estate for that also. In addition to that, the bag feels not cheaply made from being made in Vietnam. So story is, these guys used to actually make bags for 511 and other tactical companies until they started to venture off on their own. And that's where they started making their own line of bags, which is Ctactical. So that's their backstory. And they do state that they get a lot of their inspiration from GoRuck bags. So are we completely biting? Debatable, you know? Because who knows? They probably were making bags for GoRuck. I didn't say it, but early GoRuck bags were not all made in the USA. So the ones that were sent to me were, but before I got linked up with them, it was being made somewhere else. But right down here, you have Molly webbing, 3 rows right here. What's also super cool about this is that if you feel the Molly panel is a little too much for your liking or your taste, they sell garments that cover this whole thing, and you'll see the different types on their site. And then right on the sides, they have Molly webbing right up top. So if you have any keys or anything that you want to hang up there, small pouches, right down here, it also has Molly webbing, and then it has it on both sides. And then if you take a look at the shoulder straps, they have Molly webbing on the shoulder straps, and it comes with a sternum strap. That was my biggest qualm with GoRuck and their GR1s that they send me. They don't have any sternum straps. You're setting yourself back about $400 maybe with shipping. I would hope that if you're setting yourself back that much, you would throw in a $10 sternum strap that you sell on your site. No, it's not the case. You have to buy that separate. But this comes with it. So that's pretty awesome. Just clicks onto the Molly webbing here. You can adjust the ride height however you want. And then these are quick release straps. So if you're in a pinch, you need to take your bag off. My daughter's running all over the place. I gotta chase her. I don't want to have my bag on me. Boom! You just take that off. It just comes off just like that. Pockets. We got one right up here, and this is also another cool thing. It has organization inside of this bag right up top. So you could probably put like pens or bit drivers right up here, and then you have a bigger pocket where you can slide a couple other stuff like your cards or whatever. And then this actually goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So on this bigger side, so opens like so, clamshell. Look at the orange, high vis. I mean, I absolutely love that. Right up top, they have these 2 loops, so that way you can attach maybe their they actually sell a panel, a back panel, where it hooks onto the top here, and then it has like Molly webbing, and then it has either a spot for your laptop or your iPad. It does go all the way down to the bottom, and then right over here it tells you, so it's made in Vietnam, says it right there, has a pocket just like GoRuck does right up top. And then you have a similar mesh pocket right down here. Now, the cool thing about this mesh is that they made it a little larger. So that way, if you have things that are a bit bigger, which you want to slide in here, it won't pop out so much. Because the problem that I had noticed with a couple of the GoRuck bags that I have is once you load out maybe this front pocket and you slide a bunch of things in here, it starts popping out the back. Well, now they make the mesh where it can pop out a bit more. And that's pretty much the bag, guys. So I have this in the 15 liter, and then your boy also got it in the 21 liters. All of my GoRuck bags, 26 liters. So just a bit bigger than these guys. But I think 21 liters is the largest they go. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the 21 liter, pretty much identical to the 15 liter. But what stands out about this is that this morale patch area is a lot larger. And then you still have the same molly webbing on the sides. And then you open this up, same orange interior. You still have the organization there. They added an extra pen slot because you just have that much more real estate. You open the back. So this is what caught my eye with this one, and which is why I decided to go with a 21. But man, they just hooked it up. But it has water bottle insert pockets on the inside of the bag. Okay, it's not on the outside. You can if you want, but you're gonna have to add your own molly panels on there, or pouches, I'm sorry. But this has water bottle inserts on the inside, on the left and the right. So maybe if you live in more rainy states, you want to put your umbrella in here, bam. You want to have your bottle of water in there, bam. You want your laptop in there, done. You know what I'm saying? And then it also has the same loops right up top. What I forgot to mention was that it has the hydration insert right in the middle here. So you got your pack, maybe you slide it in here. The hose goes right up there, out the back, and then you can hook it on to the shoulder straps. Sternum strap came with it, okay? Oh, I forgot to mention their laptop sleeve, which GoRuck highlights as a bomb-proof laptop sleeve. These guys also have. And take a look at this. Nice padded liner, so that way you're protecting it. It also has a false bottom. So, oh, no, I lied. It doesn't have a false bottom. So you got to be careful when sliding your things in here because you are going to be at the very bottom of this backpack. But other than that, you have that there. Does it have it on the 15 liter? No way. It also has it on the 15 liter. I did not know that. I think GoRuck also has that on their 15 liters. But this guy, the 15 liter, also has the back laptop compartment. And same thing. And then this backing right here has this tough plastic, which protects it from anything that hits it on this backside. And there you have it, guys. I got black multicam because that's my favorite pattern. That is my absolute favorite pattern.